Hi guys, so this video is about a broken light mount. This one right over here, which is the light mount for this light. So a couple of weeks ago I had a fall, and in that fall I broke my light mount. It had a part like this on it. So this is not the part from this. So during the fall I lost that broken part from the mount. So I had a spare mount which is a little different from that mount. So I cut the part from this and tried to fix it onto my lights part using Bondtite, which is a useless product. So I gave it two shots. I tried fixing it with Bondtite twice and gave it enough time to set in, but it failed. So I couldn't give up easy. There's also one easy alternative. You could use these bands that you'll find easily on Amazon, but that doesn't look good. So yeah, I don't like bad design, so that won't go on my bike. So I had to do something by myself. So what I did was I drilled two holes, if you could see. Yeah, excuse for the dirty nails. Okay, so yeah, I drilled two holes using a drill machine. What I did was I heated up the bit of this machine, and then I drilled holes through over here. You don't really need a drill machine. You can easily do it with a nail, and you can hold the nail with the help of pliers. And yeah, that's a little tricky process. A drill machine really helps. So yeah, you can figure it out yourself. So I drilled two holes, and I had this wire sitting around. So I took some pliers, twisted the wire around, and twisted it real good. So yeah, that ain't going nowhere. So now I can use this light mount without any worry of the light coming off. Yeah. Let me show you how this works.